Okay, so we're back. I'm sorry. What happened is that a phone call came in, and apparently, when a phone call comes in, it cuts off the live stream. So I just learned that I have to put my phone on focus so that all the calls and notifications are turned off. So this is not gonna happen again. Okay, so I was cut off in the part where I was talking about the Luna thing. Okay, so if you had the loan and you had $100,000, you could get $50,000 and leave the rest of the Luna and the rest collateral. But then the Luna ecosystem promoted a platform called Anchor, which promised 20% yield. And a lot of people got lured into that. They put the $50,000 in there. And what happened? The problem is that during the past few days, the stablecoin UST, which is the one that people were putting in there, depegged. So what does that mean? It wasn't worth $1. It wasn't being bought for $1 in the exchanges. It went down to 27 cents in some cases. It's trading right now at 70 cents. So the thing is, people panicked when they saw the thing going down 50, 40, 20 cents. They said, I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna sell my UST. So instead of having $50,000, they sold for much, much less. They're not getting that back. Even if the thing goes back to $1, they lost because they sold because they panicked. Okay, but the other problem is that the Luna that is backing that UST is dropping in price. So the collateral isn't there anymore. So the UST doesn't have any support, and that's why it's depegging. Okay, and the only way to get it back into peg is by minting more Luna. What does minting mean? It means that more Luna is coming into the market, and you know what that means. More supply coming in, but no buyers because they see what's happening. A lot of people are trying to sell Luna. Nobody's trying to buy. Plus, supply is coming in. The price is coming down. So Luna came down from $100. It was trading at around 46 cents in some exchanges early this morning. So it's just terrible, terrible losses. Either way, however you look at it. A lot of people got into Luna not at 40 cents, not at $4. They got in higher at 80 or $100 because a lot of influencers were pushing Luna and the Ponzi behind it. I didn't like it. I think that it was too close to BitConnect. I remember how BitConnect worked, and this one reminded me of that. And as I said, when the market turns, these things end up crashing bad. But guys, look, the most important thing about this is that a lot of people who got burned in 2017, 2018, the ones who stuck around, they stayed in the market, they learned, and they came back in 2018, 2019, 2020, and they made a killing, and it's all good. So if you're burned here, do not get desperate. Don't do crazy stuff. Don't try to win it or make it back in one trade. Just be patient, and I'm sure that during the next cycle you're going to be able to recover your losses. Okay, and just take it as a huge learning. Oh, hi Crypto King 89. You've been here since 2017. Me too. I started in 2017, March 2017, and I got into everything out there. So I was scammed. We didn't even have the phrase rug pulled back in 2017. I got into BitConnect. Yeah, I made money there. Then I lost part of it in the end. Yeah, I got into some ICOs. They went up in price in January 2017. I thought they were just gonna continue to go up. I didn't sell, so I lost a lot of the opportunity cost because I didn't take profits. So I learned a lot. Okay, so yeah, me too. Yeah, this gives me whole BitConnect vibes, and this is the thing that for me is really starting to mark the beginning of the full bear market, or like the final capitulation part, because in 2017 BitConnect marked that. And why? Because a lot of retail was in BitConnect, and I feel that there's a lot of retail in Luna right now. A lot of retail got in because of all the influencers. So it's gonna be a huge burn for a lot of people who put in money that they shouldn't have, that they didn't have, that they couldn't afford to lose. So that's going to burn them. They're not gonna be able to invest in other projects, They're gonna tell their friends or families that they got burned, stay away from crypto. So it's gonna be tough for the next few months because of this Luna debacle. Okay. Regarding the rest of the altcoins, today Bitcoin is about to close. It's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. Okay. It dropped below the level of support that we formed in January 2021 and the summer. We are below that right now. If we close below that today, it's not gonna be pretty. So if you feel that the alts have had a bad time right now, it's gonna get worse. So if you think that the alts dropped 80% and that they can't drop any lower, you're in for a big surprise. They can still go 80%. Bitcoin, if it closes below this level today, it's probably for sure gonna go down to the 200 weekly moving average. That's around $22,000. So that means 22% drop from here, 22% lower prices from here. And you know what happens to the alts? So if Bitcoin moves 22%, the alts are gonna move 50 or a negative 80%. Okay, so be ready for that. And I think that's about it. That's about it for the update right now. I'm gonna start streaming a little bit more because one of the things that I have as an objective for myself is help people. I want people to achieve their financial freedom. I was able to quit my job in 2021 in January because of 2020 was so good. But why? Because I stuck around, I learned a lot. And offline, I told a lot of people when to come in, when to come into the market, when to start like investing in certain small projects and coins. And I'm gonna do that this time around because now I have time. Before that, I had to stick to my work and it was very time consuming. But now I'm going to be able to help everyone over here. So yeah, good times are going to come. Right now, it seems like desperation and negativity, but trust me, in a few months it's going to be very good and you will have opportunities once more, and we're gonna have a great new cycle up ahead. Okay everybody, I hope you enjoy and have a great day. Okay, bye.